ako, isa lang yung fidget ko tapos butter pa siya. Makapag-trade kaya ako. Yung makikipag-trade nitong butter. Maganda siya. Going once, going twice. So, magkikatrade na ako ng butter. Ganda nito. Uy! I-trade dun. Ako. I-trade ko itong purple needle. Tapos, bago lang siya. Nabili ko sa USA. Kakauwi ko lang eh. Ganda. Okay, kaya ito, bago lang to. Ano sa'yo? Bago lang to sa akin. Sa'yo. Yung akin ay, kahapon lang. Akin kanina lang. Yung butter. Kaya, pag wala ka ng mga squishy or mga fidget, edi maghanap ka tapos balik ka dito. Sige. Ang rude naman nun. Hanap na nga ako. Poetry may butter. Kunyari lang na hindi ako yung same tao kanina. Kasi pulit-pulit na to. Okay. Trading my butter here. Going once, going twice. Trading my butter. Going once, going twice. Butter? Hey, don't touch my butter. That's mine. Oh, sorry. English talking. Baliw. Okay, I'm gonna trade this needle. This is brand new. So, what is that? This is brand new. I just bought this earlier. I bought this right now and this is super rare. I don't have any fidget left. Oh, fine. Accept. That's my chance. Accept. Yes, give this now. I have the needle. And this is the same color, purple and purple. Haha, scam you. You scam me too, guys. I'm just so tired. In the part 2, I'm gonna just see and wait. This is me, but I'm so sleepy right now. In the part 2, okay, bye.